Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, voice activation, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.